Happy Valentine's Day, Daddy.
Thank you, Beta. Take. Happy Valentine's Day to all my viewers. Today, my topic is about love of God and not lust of human being. Everyone from all religion celebrate Valentine's Day today. But many who knows about this day and who is Valentine. Many people take this day in a very wrong way. They think sleeping around with their partner is a Valentine Day. There was a priest who sacrificed his life to defend the right of marriage. Because those days, during the 3rd century in Roman Emperor, there used to be a king named Claudius the Cruel. The reason he was cruel because he was always in war, and because of that many of his soldiers died, and that is why he wanted more and more people to join in his army to fight for him. But people did not want to join him because they were very happy living the peaceful life with their wife and children. So the king had ordered that no one in his kingdom will get married or even get engaged to any woman. During those days, there used to be a priest called Valentine. He stood against the king. To help these people, the young people who are in love, to help them to get into the holy act of marriage. He sacrificed his life to help them to get into marriage. He supported marriage. He supported true love. Look what the corruption has done to us. These days, people spend money buying expensive gift to buy love. But you cannot buy love. Valentine had given his life so that men and women who are in true love get into marriage and not into the human pleasure. The best example from Bible I can give you is the book of John chapter 3 verses 16, where it says, God so loved the world that he gave his only son. Whoever believes in him will have eternal life. That's called love. Where Jesus sacrificed his life for salvation for human being. No particular religion. He did it for all. The purpose of God creating man and woman is not just holding each other's hand and walking in the beach. But the true joy in such a relationship is to create a family so that you can have your seed and they continue living even after you die. The funniest thing is that many people think sleeping around is love. They say, I am making love. If they actually love the woman, then why they don't get married? You're willing to make love with her, but not willing to make family with her. Valentine's Day has become a commercial day. People are willing to spend money going to bar, disco, thinking they can grab hold of any girl over there. A gift doesn't mean that you can buy love, because love you cannot get with money. Animals are more loyal. There are many things that we need to learn from animals. When the master of a dog dies, the dog do not leave the grave. Imagine if we tell a mother that there is a child's day, and it is in that day only you need to express your love for your children. That will be the most silly thing, isn't it? One of the greatest thing is the love of a mother loving her child. Human being cannot even reach to be noble and understand the meaning of love until they understand the motherly love. That is the best and greatest love ever. A mother suffers from a child whom she loves. That is real love without any expectation. Knowing the fact that the child may in future leave the parents, go into drugs. Some children, they beat their parents. The parents are very well aware of it, but still they love their children, and that's called love. Woman and man, if they cannot reach to a level of motherly love, then what they have between them is relationship, not love. Like a partnership, a contract between a man and a woman. That is why these days couples are getting divorced very easily, because there was never love between them. Nowadays, men and women, they meet, they like each other. She looks nice, he look whatever. He has something she wants, and she has something what he wants. And because of what they want, they get whatever they want. But they will never get love. But mother, she doesn't want anything from the child because her love is real. Love is not to do something you need. A man need a woman and a woman need a man. That's not love, that's a need. So a true love is a love that we need to learn from our mother. A true love is a love of charity. The best example is Mother Teresa. She saw Christ in every poor people. She loved irrespective of any caste and creed. And that's called love. I hope this Valentine you understood what love means. And when you look for your partner, search for true love, not for the lust, not for greed. Thank you.